M500 and M550 walk-behind auto scrubbers. The M500 and M550 walk-behind auto scrubbers have been created to deliver on quality without breaking your budget. The compact structure and cleaning path of 50 or 55 centimeters make these machines perfect in every context with a productivity rate of up to 2,365 meters squared per hour. The M500 and M550 have been developed around MACH's M mechanical philosophy. All functions are designed with mechanical activation, not electrical. Fully industrial components guarantee durability, long life, and minimal maintenance. Operation is immediate in 2 simple steps. First, turning the ignition key and then pressing the button for the brush and vacuum motor, the machine is ready to clean. A powerful motor is directly joined to the brush head without belts, a high-quality feature for machines of this size. The motor produces the highest brush pressure in this category. Rotating at 180 RPM, the brush rapidly removes even the most stubborn dirt. Other noteworthy features include a knob that optimizes directionality and delivers light touch handling, a resettable circuit breaker, and quick brush change with a brush-o-matic system. All these functions are electronic-free, following the M mechanical philosophy. The industrial solenoid valve activates and deactivates solution flow in line with brush activity, saving cleaning solution. To reduce cost and consumption, the M500 and 550 are available with the dosematic system. This permits the operator to adjust in real time the concentration of the solution delivered to the brush head without stopping operation. Changing chemical is easy, as the containers can be quickly replaced as and when required. The drying system is a distinctive feature of all MACH auto scrubbers and is key in delivering a perfect clean. The parabolic squeegee directs water into the center of the cleaning path, while the oscillating design guarantees clean, dry floors even through 180-degree turns. Constructed in steel as opposed to plastic, the squeegee is completely resistant to accidental impact. For particularly corrosive environments, a stainless steel version is available. The squeegee blades are in Linatex, the best on the cleaning market. Their intelligent design means they are simple to reverse and substitute without the need for tools. The vacuum motor is the most powerful in its class and is protected by an anti-foam safeguard which prevents damage. It guarantees maximum water pickup, ensuring the M500 and 550 deliver clean, dry floors without leaving behind streaks. The tanks are completely accessible, ensuring rapid filling and sanitization. The solution tank filter can be quickly removed and cleaned. Emptying the recovery tank is easy thanks to an adjustable hose equipped with a valve to control the flow of dirty water. The forward drive of the M500 and 550 is via mechanical or motorized traction. Both models are available either in 24-volt battery version or power cord version. The battery sits in a clever draw that simply pulls out, providing full access for easy monitoring, which is important in extending battery life. A convenient onboard battery charger allows for quick, simple, and safe charging. The machines are ergonomically designed for full operator comfort. A practical hood has built-in multi-purpose storage space. Large anti-mark wheels with impressive traction increase maneuverability, while a third pivoting wheel makes transport and storage of the machine simple and practical. Experience the high quality and performance of MACH while keeping an eye on your budget. M500 and M550 walk-behind auto scrubbers.